Hello, welcome to Binna Kim Art. What I'm going to share with you today is about product display. So, what is product display? You can easily see around you. When you go to a mall, each store does product display and window display to attract customers and to present their brands. Imagine you visit a furniture store. You can see beautiful settings, paired different products to complement each other. When you go to a gallery, you can see well-displayed artworks. Well, I'm not going to take a deep dive. My general experience on product display is to install window displays, to present products with unique and special idea, corporate events that need to product displays with florals, floral decorations at hotel lobbies, restaurants and event venues, and display artworks and galleries. What you're seeing now is my coloring book pages decorated with florals around them. I wanted to give people a little different yet beautiful impressions of my drawings. I really enjoyed doing these small decorations for my drawings, especially for the holiday coloring book pages using fluffy knitting yarns. When I was in Korea, before coming to New York, I was passionate about food styling, table decorations, and floral designs. From 2007 through 2010, I did numerous table decorations in many different scales with various themes, including cooking and baking. All the work happened at home and a workplace, a French style of a flower shop. The first thing I remember was to make wall stickers seen on home decor magazines. I bought adhesive paper and started to make a tree-shaped wall sticker, chandelier shape, plant in a planter, a huge spiderweb wall sticker for a Halloween Day theme party, and so on. The biggest wall sticker I made was the picture you are seeing right now. I used all the stickers for my decorations. One time, I did one table decorations with a theme of papercraft. What first came to my mind was a bunch of drawings on craft paper. All the drawings needed to be attached either on a wall or a window with masking tape, and I did not forget to bake something yummy for the decoration. I had to draw more than 20 drawings in various sizes and themes. I was really enjoying the whole process, even though I sometimes got cranky due to lack of sleep. After I moved to New York and started working as a floral and window display designer, my fun, joyful projects turned into projects with more responsibilities. I will show you some examples of product displays and window displays designed and installed by me. What you are seeing now is a window display with a theme of summer at Paito, New York. I was freelancing at the time. I made a square wreath with spray-painted paper flowers. I matched the wreath colors to the colors of their products. The image shown is an autumn-themed window display. I painted birds with fall colors and placed branches and moss with the products. This is the inside of the store. The image shown is a spring-themed window display. I was inspired by hanging staghorn fern and other fern leaves, and this window display was made of paper. This was the display for a sushi restaurant. The display represented a beauty on a sushi plate. All the plates were provided from the restaurant. This was a display for Keiko watches. They were going for a modern, elegant yet luxurious style of decoration. To get the best result, I suggested showing off the elegant lines of steel grass, luxurious look of Phalaenopsis orchids, and modern look of square glass container combinations. This decoration was inspired by one of my window displays done in the past. The image you are seeing now is the window display. Additionally, this display was sold to Escada for their store launching event happening at Saks Fifth Avenue. I was thrilled and excited at the same time by the fact that my design and display could actually sell. This was a product display used clear risers, floral arrangements, and candles. Flowers and candle combination always produce a lovely ambience that cannot be replicated. More product display images. I'm sure you're quite familiar with these types of product displays. This was my first time doing a commercial product display. This display using a bathtub with abundance of florals and greenery was very unique and beautiful. More product display images are shown. These caviar products were pricey and they wanted a rich, stylish yet simple display. Using calla lily stems and orchids was a perfect fit for their needs. The image you are seeing now is a holiday window display for high-end costume suit brand. I picked clear and white ornaments, neutral colors or materials, because the colors of the displayed suits were dark red and dark navy. I wanted the products to be stand out. The next image was also for the same brand, but year after. They displayed dark monotone colors of suits, so I went for gold colors to complement the products. This installation was for Nike in Soho location from last week. My co-workers and I went to the venue after 2 a.m. working until 8 in the morning. Most of the store was covered by a type of sheer fabric with color transitions from yellow through orange. To match the color theme, our company picked yellow, light orange, and dark orange colors. They were very happy with the result. It was unique, very special with the abundance of floral and other natural elements. It was very successful installation, even though the preparation process was not smooth and easy. Finally, I'm going to share the video of how I display a product, a hand cream with floral arrangements and other related elements. I will be moving back and forth in the photo room at a company I currently work for. All the arrangements were made by me. The theme was reviving and forest, and the color theme was yellow, green, and yellow, green. The first arrangement, I used a pin frog in a petri dish. Flowers I used were hellebores, yellow daffodils, golden rose, fern leaves, and moss. The second arrangement, I used the same as the first arrangement, a pin frog in a petri dish. The only difference between two is that I added dry branches, moss and lichens growing on them. The third arrangement, I made a hand-tied bouquet and placed in a clear bud base. The fourth arrangement, I used a pin frog in a low cylinder base. This one looked lush and wider than others. The last arrangement, again I used a pin frog in a fishbowl base. Okay, let's look at the video. I placed clear risers in rectangular and square shapes. Also, white acrylic riser is placed. All the arrangements look natural and wild. I designed them as if something belongs to the florist. Frankly, there was a second option for this display. Instead of using clear risers, I was thinking of using natural-looking wood boards or wood risers. All the glass containers would be petri dishes in different sizes with pin frogs inside. In terms of florals, Boston fern leaves, fluffy asparagus fern leaves, ladies' slipper orchids, queen Anne lace flower, tree barks, dry branches with lichen, and various types of moss. I'm very sure if I went for the second options, the whole setting would look different. However, I chose the first option, which was the one you're seeing right now, clean and elegant look with a fresh, vibrant feeling, using yellow daffodil, golden rose, and yellow ranunculus. I really enjoyed the whole process of preparing this display. I finished this setting in about 6 minutes, but in order to get to the point, it took a few days of thinking, visualizing, brainstorming with my lovely coworkers, discussing with passions in several different ways, pondering, picking materials, and making arrangements. As you know, all the fun things happen at the end with a short period of time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If I have more opportunities to do this type of work, I will share with you later. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.